Hello kids! Today we will learn the names of 20 amazing birds and a few fun things about each one. So flap your wings and fly with us! Parrot. Parrots are green and love to talk. They can mimic sound and enjoy sitting on a perch. Say with me, parrot. Sparrow. Sparrows are small and brown. They chirp sweetly and love to fly around gardens. Say with me, sparrow. Eagle. Eagles are a strong bird with sharp eyes. They fly high, are known as powerful hunter. Say with me, eagle. Owl. Owls have big eyes and can see at night. They say hoo-hoo and sleep during the night. Say with me, owl. Hen. Hens give us eggs and walk around the farm. They cluck softly and love to peck the ground. Say with me, hen. Rooster. Roosters crow cuckoo in the morning. They are colorful and protect the hens. Say with me, rooster. Swan. Swans are white, graceful and float on water. They have long neck and looks very pretty. Say with me, swan. Duck. Ducks have flat beak and love to swim. They quack and waddle near pond and lakes. Say with me, duck. Penguin. Penguins are black and white and live in snow. They can't fly, but they waddle and swim fast. Say with me, penguin. Pigeon. Pigeons are grey and live in cities. They coo and fly in flocks around buildings. Say with me, pigeon. Peacock. Peacocks are India's national bird. They dance in the rain and have beautiful feathers. Say with me, peacock. Flamingo. Flamingos are pink and stand on one leg. They live near water and look very elegant. Say with me, flamingo. Dove. Doves are white and symbol of peace. They coo softly and fly in the sky. Say with me, dove. Goose. Geese are large birds with loud honk. They swim in pond and live near water. Say with me, goose. Kingfisher. Kingfisher have bright blue feathers. They catch fish and fly super fast near rivers. Say with me, Kingfisher. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds with fancy tails. They gobble and are found on farms. Say with me, turkey. Ostrich. Ostriches are the biggest bird in the world. They can't fly, but they run very fast with their long legs. Say with me, ostrich. Woodpecker. Woodpeckers tap on trees with their beaks. They search for insects hiding in the bark. Say with me, woodpecker. Crow. Crows are black and smart. They caw loudly and found food easily. Say with me, crow. Robin. Robins have red chests and sing cheerful tunes. They are small and love sitting on trees in spring. Say with me, robin.